This is Harvinder Pal Singh in Event 001. I have to create a nameplate with 6 letters from my name using CNC milling operation. Files, machine, select milling, center. Again go to files, new CNC program wizard. Next we have to go to milling operation. Thank you. Now workpiece size in X will be 350, Y will be 70, and in Z will be 5. Next, done. So now we have to go here on the inventory browser, my milling tool. Now we have to add a tool. Add, diameter will be 2, length will be 10, and number of teeth will be 5. Okay, we have to write a G G28 is return command T1 M06. M06 execute tool change. You have to write the whole code, the 6 letter. I have already written. So this N10 and 20, these all N's are the sequence number in which the operation will execute. G0 is repositioning to new location with high speed. G1 is linear interpolation. G2 is circular interpolation. The code is going to be with M30, the end operation. Save it. So that's it.